Welcome to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today I'm going to share with you my TJ Maxx haul that I picked up on Monday. Let's get started. First I got these Rae Dunn cookie sheets with the hip hop spatulas. This was on clearance for $8. Other bigger size pink, the honey bunny, and cute cookie cutters, egg, tulip, and a bunny. And it has a wrap, cookie wrap. And this was $9 on clearance at TJ Maxx. Bunny. It's a teapot, and underneath the teapot is a cup. This comes off, put the tea bag in there. And this was $8. This one is not Rae Dunn, that teapot. And this is my favorite thing I picked up. So I'll wrap it up. Wrap this. This is a canister, honey bunny treats. And there is the top. This is so cute. And this was $15 on clearance. Next I found this cute honey bunny flower sifter. This was $3.50, marked down from $9. Oops, shoot, these are falling out of here. That's okay. And I found some cute salt and pepper shakers, Easter egg, and then this cute little gnome. Thought those were cute. And this was $3. I got this cute little birdhouse salt. It's cute. You could put little, like a little bird decor decoration or that green grass stuff in there. And this was $6. I thought that's cute, little birdhouse. At TJ Maxx, all their Easter decor and Rae Dunn items and some other stuff, that it's all on clearance. I don't know if there's anything left. I was there on Monday and this is what I found. I got this cute little mug with the bunny ears that go on top. I thought this was really cute. I like bunnies. I collect bunny things. And let's see, this was $5. Got the cute little tail. So cute. This is a cute little gnome with a mug and then the mug topper on top. Cute little flower coffee cup, and this was marked down to $5. Thing I got was this Rae Dunn basket. This cute little butterfly. Put Easter eggs in there, Easter grass, or candy, jelly beans. And this was $9. I got. This is my favorite one I got, besides that canister. This cute little bunny. This is Happy Spring. And this was $10, marked down to $10. I thought this was really cute. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.